my dad's trying to help this cicada get out of its shell.
It's almost there. Just about done. Let's see if we can.
Help it without even hurting its other wing because it's already in there. So.
Well, those other wing is stuck in there, yeah. Let's see. Give it a little bit of a hand.
Run to my finger.
Let them climb up there. They won't hurt you or anything.
I know now, Daddy, try to.
See, yesterday you wouldn't even go near them.
Well, I like the ones that just came out of their shell.
Let's go ahead and stretch out that wing.
Because they're nice. When they first came out.
There we go. It's coming out. Oop.
They're screaming.
Wing out of there. Let's straighten it out. There we go. There's the wing. Perfect. And he is almost out.
Definitely almost out.
There we go.
And the cicada is out.
And he's out.